Manual cutoff. In the steel structure industry, the steel materials are costly. Usually, the utilization rate of materials is improved by cutting the parts first and then welding them together. Besides loop nesting, TubesT has launched manual cutoff, which is easy and efficient and can be enabled to cut at any positions of any parts. Manual cutoff can release you from the complicated procedures of RAID drawing the parts. All you need to do is select the parts and click on manual cutoff. Choose the joint type and set the parameters, including left part length, cutoff type, etc. Manual cutoff can cut the selected parts into two separate parts, regardless of what kind of parts they are. If you want to cut them at any position, it can be easily achieved. The drawing efficiency can be enhanced significantly. Provide you with various interface types to satisfy your processing requirements. Make your work get twice the result with half the effort. Furthermore, for the parts processed by manual cutoff, TubesT will automatically generate marking names and splicing marks, which provides great convenience for the execution of downstream processes and makes their operation more time-saving and efficient.